Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ebony Style. For my returning subscribers, you're welcome. For my newly subscribers, you're welcome. So I'll be using this 13x6 frontal net for this particular video, and this video is titled how to ventilate a frontal, so using attachment. So I'll be using an attachment to ventilate this particular frontal, and make sure you watch from start to finish. And don't forget, I use 13x6 frontal net. So this is it when I place it on the canvas edge like this. And the reason why I'm putting this black line on is really dark when I started this video, and I can't just place the net on the canvas edge. You know, the canvas edge is white. I won't see the holes. So that's why I use. So it's preferable, even if it's daylight, you should use something dark under so that you can see the holes very well. So then I'll just go ahead and start ventilating using this attachment. Yes, you can cut the attachment anyhow you want it. If you want it long, you cut it long. You want it short, but this I'm actually using this particular whatever. I'm using this frontal net for a braided wig. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can see that particular video. So this is how I bend it, you can see. So I'll start ventilating it. So I start from the first edge like this because I want to be using one side. So I start from this and I ventilate a hole and leave the second hole because this one is actually at the edge. I left like 2 holes before I started leaving 1 hole and another, like the way you're seeing right on the screen, and then I left 1 line. So this is what I did. I left 1 hole for a hole and I left a line. So that's what I did to everything, even the middle side. I did not leave anything at the middle side. So, and the reason why I'm leaving like 2 holes is because this edge is at the tip, like at the edge. Yes, so that's the reason why I left enough space there, because it's likely when installing this air you can still cut that side out, can still cut that part away. That's why I don't ventilate much at this side. And if you like, can make it much, can make it the way I'm making it. You know, I always tell you, do things that are easy for you, do things that are going your way, do things that are convenient for you. So these are I keep ventilating, and these are I ventilate. Please, in case you've not watched my previous ventilating video, please go ahead and watch it. I will likely drop some here in the description box so that I can go ahead and watch it. So I inside this ventilating pin. You can get it anywhere at the market, supermarket, or you can even get it on any selling app like Jumia and Co. So I got this at the market for 3,500 here. Before it was 5,000. So there is it for 5 and so on. But now when I've broken all the pins I have, so I have to look for another one. So when I get this one, I got it for 3,500. So you just keep ventilating till you're done. And the way I ventilate, I've forgotten. So you put this pin inside the hole that you want to attach the air with, and then you use it to draw the air inside the hole, and then you knot it. You know, the usual basic. Put the pin inside the hole and then use it to draw the hair, and after drawing the hair, you knot it. So this is when I've done the tip side, like the side. You can see that the ventilating is close, is very, 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 very close to each other. It was not looking like the first time I was ventilating it. You can see that it's so close to each other. So this is I've done some side, so I'll just keep on ventilating till I till I'm done. So I just kept on ventilating till I'm done, and trust me, if you know what you are doing, like if you are not lazy, because I'm lazy, if you are not lazy like me, trust me, you can finish this a day. Yes, you eat, you bath, you finish it a day. But as if you have something else you are doing, you can't finish it a day. But it's only this ventilating thing you are doing. Trust me, you finish it a day. I can do it and I can't do it. But me, I not finish my own a day. Because I was actually doing some things together with it, so I finished this, I think, because sometimes I let it, I was not even doing it, I was doing another thing, another customer's like that, so I just left it. But trust me, it's a day, because yes, I did it twice. Yes, before I was ventilating, like this ventilating, I dropped it for some times before I start to before I start to ventilate again, and I did it in a way that I won't get tired of it. Yes, I did it in a way that I will not get tired of it. And let me just tell you the logic. Make sure you sit down on a convenient chair. Like, make sure you're convenient. You're totally convenient where you are. Play music. Hey, play your favorite music. That is the logic I always use. So let me just tell you, that's the logic I use. Play your favorite music, and sometimes I may be thinking about how to improve your this thing, how to do that, and trust me, you are done. Yes, you are done. You just say that I'm done with this thing, you are done. And make sure you are convenient when you are sitting out. That thing is very important, because if you are not convenient, you start having a back pain. So make sure you are very, very convenient when you are ventilating. And trust me, you are done. So this is it. I was done with everything. This is when I was done trying to use my comb to comb it out, and then you can see the holes I left, the lines, just one line. I'm saying it. I left just a line and holes, one holes. You can see how tight this thing is. How should I put it? It's not scanty. You can see it's not scanty. It's very, very full. So make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell, because I'll be using this hair for a all back braid, like it's a 2-step braid. I think Ghana weaving. Okay, let me put it like that. I'll be using it for a Ghana weaving. So please make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so you can see that the hair I've been hyping since morning. So don't forget the logic, and please buy good net. You can also buy a cut and sew, because I've done a video using a cut and sew net. They are actually good also. So make sure you look for good net, and don't let them scam you. I bought this for 600 naira, the net. Yeah. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.